Check this out, Alfa Romeo, Mercedes, and Ferrari. They are hanging on the wall of the restaurant. Good morning, folks. F&A Vintage coming to you from Campos of Jordão, Brazil, one of the highest cities in Brazil. We have an exciting film today. Stay tuned. Talking to some folks in Campos of Jordão, I found out that there is a car museum, very old car museum in the top of the mountain, near the palace for Campos of Jordão, which is right ahead. If you look over there, that's the palace of Campos of Jordão. Absolutely beautiful. Well, there is a car museum here, and there is an individual that actually supplies probably 60% of those cars. I'm trying to get an interview with him, hopefully within the next weeks. But meanwhile, we're gonna go to the museum. That museum actually brings cars to Pebble Beach. That's the type of cars that a museum has, and it's in the top of the mountains. It's actually the highest city in Brazil. All right, folks, we're getting now close to the car museum, and right in front of us, there is a car that is called BYD. I'm telling you, the car culture in Brazil is pretty much, or very much, well alive. BYD, build your dream. That's the name of the car. Literally, that's the name of the car. Build your dream in front of us. Check it out. All right, folks, we are here. $1950. Check it out, convertible. The car you always wanted. If you want it, I can just buy it and ship it to you. If you want to buy this one, I'll buy it, ship it to you. All right. Next time. Take a look at this rural Willys from 1960. 1960. Look at the build. This was made for Brazil. This was my mother-in-law's mother car in the 60s. What an amazing Jeep or SUV. Guys, take a look at this Museu. This is amazing. Impeccable shit. Impeccable shit. Guaranteed this was the Pebble Beach flow. Amazing. It's totally interesting. Está aqui no museu, você destruiu ele, tá vendo? Se você não destruir ele, nós podemos vender ele. Olha aí, destruiu ele. Só você abrir ele. That's my car right here. 911 turbo. These are one of the best turbos ever made. Ever made. Look at it. You gotta film this car. $1995, almost 300 kilometers per hour. 1995. 911 turbo. What an amazing car. M3. I remember driving this car in the streets, Spain. Almost got into an accident. Excellent car. Beautiful car. M3. Citroen. Amazing. Mercedes-Benz 1982 16 valve 190. This was my car. Folks, I drove this car, had this car while going to college. Look at little cars like that. Gustavo, você tem que deixar o carro assim, viu? Tá vendo ele? Eu quero ver o carro deste jeito, igual, tá? Quando você acabar ele, eu quero ver ele assim, tá? É do mesmo cor. Eu quero o carro do mesmo cor. Olha o interior, igual. Você deixa ele assim, viu? Olha, Gustavo, posso ter desta cor também, tá? Vou deixar igual. Eu gostei desta cor também. Olha o interior. Vira ele por aqui. Uau. Gostei, viu? Split back sell 1.7 million reais. All for you. Right here. This is what makes this car right here, the split window. In Campos do Jordão, Brazil. Right there. Guys, take care of 1974 BMW 2002. Look how amazing it is. Amazing. Matra Renault. Check it out, guys. 3-seater. Guys, take a look at this beautiful specimen of Chevy Bel Air. 1955, in excellent shape. Beautiful shape, inside out. Look at the interior. For 1977 Bellina, specifically 90%. They used to make cars well, all metal. 4-speed manual. Maximum speed 160 miles per hour. 2 kilometers. Decent car. Well maintained. 1965 Cash and Ball. It looks like a Chevrolet, but it's not a Chevrolet. It's actually made for Brazil. It looks the shape of a Chevrolet. 8-cylinder. Three gears, and they're right here in the steering wheel. V8. Looks like a Chevy, but it's not. Specifically made for Brazil. Alright folks, this is the end of the museum trip. We're gonna actually write our name in this beautiful Rolls Royce. Let's get to it.